attach pieces of wood to it so they can drag it. So the builders have gone home for the day and the pool is looking a bit better. They've put up some red awnings. What would you call those?
Awnings, yeah.
So, as you can see, the sunshade's over there, starting to get a sort of rustic, rocky facade. But underneath there, they look like breeze blocks. And the workers here are listening to accordion music. Now, British builders normally listen to, I think, like dance music and stuff, don't they?
Yeah.
So it's a refreshing change that you have some, I don't even know what type of music it is, but it's got accordions and trumpets, and it's all very urgent. But yes, it's a refreshing change from just listening to Juice FM, as we had to do in Brighton. The front of the clubhouse has been stripped of whatever material it had on top, and all that grey stuff's been put on, so I think that is going to have some other material put on it, hopefully. So that's turning from red to black. And this once again is the promise of what it will look like afterwards.